3 reasons to be a Forex trader and especially a ProAct trader. So let's look at the overall opportunity first. Why be a Forex trader at all? Well, number one is the potential for profit. Forex trading offers the potential for significant profits. The foreign exchange market is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with an estimated $7.8 trillion traded daily. And as a trader, you can capitalize on fluctuations in currency exchange rates and make potentially huge profits, and you can do that in your pajamas. The trader who develops effective strategies and risk management techniques can generate substantial returns on their investments. Number 2, after the opportunity to make profits seemingly out of the air, here is the next reason: flexibility and independence. Forex trading provides a high level of flexibility and independence. Unlike traditional jobs, Forex trading allows you to work from anywhere with an internet connection. And this means you can trade at your own pace, set your own schedule, have control over your trading decisions. Additionally, Forex markets operate 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, which gives you the freedom to choose when and how you want to trade. Number 3, learning and personal growth. Forex trading is a complex and dynamic field that requires continuous learning and skill development. Engaging in Forex trading can provide you with a platform for personal growth and intellectual stimulation. And as a trader, you will constantly analyze market trends. Over time, you can develop valuable skills such as critical thinking, risk management, and decision making, which can be applied to various aspects of your life. So a huge opportunity to change your life is potentially in front of you, one in which you can start this new business with only a small amount of money. In fact, we recommend that in the learning time, you only open an account for $500. But with a huge upside, there's also the downside. What if I can't get it? And what if I lose my money? Where big profits can be made, big losses can also occur. So if you're with me so far, the next step is, who do I learn to trade with and why? So let's talk about ProAct Traders, a company in business since 2004 with an A+ Better Business Bureau rating. A company who has taught many traders to become professional traders, hedge fund managers and owners, as well as traders who are just looking to add $500 to $1,000 a month to their cash flow. A company that takes honesty and integrity seriously and whose motto is, no trader left behind. So why ProAct Traders? Just 3 very important components. Number 1, we have methodology proven to work with proven results. Number 2, we have amazing charting software to point the way to the methodology. And 3, we have an inclusive community of like-minded traders willing to assist. Hey traders, my name is Scott Barkley and I'm one of the founders of ProAct Traders. I was an international director for a large international company and then served as the same for a software company that sold programming to high-profile banks such as HSBC, Paribas, Bank of America, and more. My position was canceled after the dot-com collapse in 2001, and I was looking for employment. But as a 50-year-old in the technology field, I was too old and too highly paid for anyone. So I realized that what I needed was not a job, but a business. I started learning to trade with a large Forex company, eventually ending up as the top trainer worldwide. And after executing a series of great trades, I once traded 78 trades in a row without a loss, I realized that a scalping method was not going to make it for me or anyone I was teaching. And I presented that to my company, but they refused to change since they were getting a kickback on every trade the traders were making. And I left due to that integrity issue. I founded a trading room in 2003 that ultimately became the genesis for ProAct Traders, and we released our software in 2004. And during this time, I was asked to consult with FXDD as a trainer, and I traveled with Greg Michalowski of Forex Live for several years. Now, during this time, I invested in my own training with some major mentors, and our software and methodology started earning awards in 2008. So I've been trading and training students for over 2 decades. I'm also a currency analyst for MarketFi and Invest.com. and I trade live 4 days a week with my ProAct Traders group of mentored students in a live room. Now, many of my traders have been with me since 2004, and we have cultivated a close-knit community in the live room and have added a private chat room which is used daily to further their skill levels. I am the author of The Empowered Forex Trader, Turning Pains into Gains, available on Amazon. But on a personal note, my business partner Jerry and I own a camp in Romania, and we use it to send underprivileged children to a summer camp free. We also distribute 9,000 Christmas presents in Romania for Samaritan's Purse. And this camp was used to house Ukrainian refugees during the recent conflict with Russia. So let's look briefly at the methodology. We are target traders, not scalpers. We only look for high probability trading opportunities with low risk. We teach you to put your money at risk less time and make more money when you do take on risk. It is based on the way the big boys, the bankers, trade the market. And they not only control the market, but it is also their biggest profit maker. Number 2, our methodology is designed to major in risk, since the reward is known before we start trading. We never make a trade unless we know the exit, and we teach a trader how to manage that risk en route to its outcome. And number 3, we have multiple tools to find those targets and understand why those targets are real. We teach traders the why of the market, not just the how. So let me introduce you to the genius behind our amazing award-winning software, my partner, Jerry Rankin.
Well, hello everyone. My name is Jerry Rankin, and I'm the co-founder of ProAct Traders, along with my business partner and best friend, Scott Barkley. We created what you will see known as, and has come to be known as, target trading. I started in 2001, along with Scott, trying to trade the Forex after ending a software career where I owned a software company, and Scott worked and was the head of sales, and we had success in that, and we both ventured off into Forex trading and thinking that we were learning something that could change our lives, and we were right. The only problem was that we were learning how to scalp, and that will not be a long, profitable thing for you if you try that. It certainly wasn't for us, and perhaps some have made it, but we didn't. I found the hard way that I lost $80,000 in just over 3 months, and that was a valuable lesson for me. In the early days of the Forex, around the early 2000s, the retail market was brand new to Forex traders, and most indicators and software packages were coming out, really didn't have indicators that helped us. There was no volume indicator. So you were dependent on things that worked in the stock market and the options market and other markets, but they weren't really fast enough for what we were trying to do in this extremely volatile Forex market. Scott took off and was a world-class trader and found success in training, and I was still searching for answers in something in a software package and a charting package that would help me trade and find success on a regular basis. No volume indicators in the Forex, so I started developing combinations of indicators and some little indicators that we kind of designed and put together, and all of a sudden we came up with something that started showing momentum in the Forex. Started realizing that we were getting signaling at a lower level to tell us when the big boys were starting to jump in the market and starting to show up. And so we started developing patterns along that line, and I started building software that would reveal kind of the pitfalls, those hidden pitfalls that were in every other software that we found. All the charting softwares that we found had just hidden pitfalls. So we took and created tools that were meant to assist us in our target trading, and they were built around the idea of providing high quality information to enable even us, the little retail trader, and help us improve our winning ratios. We wanted to win more often. We wanted to win bigger trades. One of the great features of our charts that you can't find in other places is We have the ability to find targets in wide open spaces where the big boys and the banks are going to be present. One amazing feature that helps us do that is the ability to see multiple time frames simultaneously on the charts so that you can see the big picture in conjunction with the smaller time frames that we as retail traders have to use. We've spent thousands of hours over the past 20 years. We continue to work hard to develop and hone our skills and fine-tune our training, and we have helped so many with their trading via the charts that we have to offer. We hope that you will find time to slow down and take a look at what we have to offer. I'm going to turn this back over to Scott, who's going to give you a little bit more information about who we are as a company and what we have to offer and how you can get involved. I hope you really will slow down and take the time, because most of us are out there running around trying this, that, and the other, and wasting a lot of time, spending lots of money, and not ending up with anything that really helps us long term. I hope you'll give ProAct Traders a chance. If I can help you in any way, please get on our website and let me know. We're here to help you. Our motto of no trader left behind still stands. I'm Jerry Rankin, and that's all I have to say about this, and I hope to see you in one of our training rooms. I hope to see you using our charts to change your life like it's done for so many others.
And finally, we have an inclusive community. We have a solid group of now experienced traders helping traders in the live room, pointing the way to things a neophyte trader will miss. These experienced and ProAct taught traders have mastered the strategies and will point to the videos that will help strengthen a new trader as they're starting out. We have multiple courses at all price points to get a trader started. There are over 200 trading videos on our website, and many of them are free to the trader who comes and simply takes a no-cost, no-obligation demo for 10 days. How much could you learn in 10 days in a live room with a seasoned veteran, and the rest of the day educate yourself with high-quality videos detailing exactly how to trade? And should you decide that we are your new home and you opt for the Fast Track Masterclass, you will join a private community of traders who have their own private room filled with only mentored students. So, what are you waiting for? Take the plunge. And in just a few days, you will know if you are in the right place. So click the free demo on the homepage of our website and get started on your journey.